Nutrien Harcourts Port Augusta has another exciting pastoral listing recently released to the public. Kondoolka station is located in the picturesque Gawler Ranges. Situated in the heart of the Granite Ranges, approximately 119 kilometres from Wirrulla and 342 kilometres from Port Augusta via the Gawler Ranges Rd. Kondoolka is an established Dorper and white Dorper sheep breeding property which was established back in 2005 with the introduction of Australian white sires in 2018-2019 to add to the genetics of the breeding flock. The SA Pastoral Board rating for Kondoolka is 8,200 sheep equivalent, offering commercial viability and profitability to this well-improved pastoral enterprise. The property is being offered on a walk-in, walk-out basis, including 4,500 Dorper and white Dorper ewes together with plant and equipment. The current owners have invested a large amount of capital over the last 10 years in fencing, water and capital improvements to improve the property's resilience to dry periods. Extensive water storage infrastructure, including 11 man-made rock walls, 5 major dams and 10 additional earth dams, of which 7 have been desalted over the last 3 years, backed up with the 8 bores and wells. Telemetry monitoring systems have been installed to the main watering infrastructure over the last 3 years to manage the 3 pipeline systems. Fencing is another feature of this property, with 110 kilometres of internal fencing and 14 kilometres of boundary fencing renewed over the last 20 years. Capital improvements include 4-bedroom main homestead, which was built in 1959. Verandas wrap around 3 sides of the house. A second 4-bedroom home built in the early 1900s was renovated in 2008. The main storage shed and workshop measures 150 by 55 with an in-ground truck servicing pit built 2014. The station's power system has recently been upgraded with 60 solar panels and a 20 kVA Kubota generator connected to 4 13.8 kilowatt lithium batteries supplying power to the main homestead and workshop. Kondoolka is one of the state's most picturesque pastoral holdings, set within the Gawler Ranges, and its granite rises and outcrops along with its sweeping valleys of productive pastoral land makes for a unique site for those visiting the area. Kondoolka is having an excellent season and will be offered for auction. For inspection and a detailed information memorandum, contact Tim Wooley from Nutrien Harcourts Port Augusta on 0427 086 020.